There's a type of gardening we don't hear about very often called fairy gardening. Judy from Enchanted Forest brought some really cool kind of toys to play with, and she's going to teach me how to make a fairy garden. So what's my first step?
Well, first step, choose a container. I think a low profile container is best. Since the things are small, you want it to be kind of low so you can see into it in the pot, not taking up all the space.
Okay, so first things, put this big gazebo
So something
in.
large, maybe if you have a house or a bridge or gazebo, choose your bigger things first.
I love this, it's adorable.
Yeah.
See our little fairy there?
Yeah, so cute. There's so many cute little things. And we have a little sedum in here already. That's kind of pretending to be a little tree.
So I'll put my pathway in this. So this is a great way to get like kids involved with gardening.
Yes. These are little butterfly-shaped stepping stones that Danny's gently putting in there.
Well, I was a landscaper, so I like the order. And the fairies love little plants and
Little
trees.
plants. There's all kinds of. We have all kinds of little fairy plants, but there's all kinds of things you can use. This could go on a table on the patio. Could go on the kitchen window. Great gift for a grandma. Great gift for a child. For anybody really.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So it's not just toys, it is living.
Yes.
So we want to mulch it with rocks as a finishing.
Right.
And then also we want to make sure we feed it.
Right. The worm castings are a great mild fertilizer for the succulents. They like that a lot.
And since really this is a kid invited thing,
Right.
we want to make sure we're using
Very
safe
friendly.
fertilizers.
Right, exactly. Exactly.
Awesome. Well, that's the nutshell of fairy gardening. I got a little gazebo for my fairy to live in and a way to her to walk in.
Exactly.
Well, thanks, Judy.
Thank you.
So for more great stuff, go to homeshowgardenpros.com.